Investing in Health, Part 31, Investing in Food, Part 7 or Natural Farming, with Dr.Dilip Gadgil, Pune. So I was talking about how to invest in natural farming. So we have to consider what are the obstacles in this and how we can overcome these obstacles while doing natural farming. The main obstacle is this infection by the insects or something like that. And this is because particular cropping, in old days, they used to divide the farm in 8 parts. There used to be a boundary in each part, for each part. And that boundary used to separate these 2 parts of the farm. And multiple crops were being taken. Not a single crop was being taken, but multiple crops were being taken. And if a particular part gets affected, the affected region will remain restricted to that part only, because there is a boundary, there are some herbs over the boundary, and adjacent plot we have some different cropping, so these insects won't transfer to that. Now with this technology, with the use of tractors, people started doing farming at a large scale, and then there is no multi-cropping now. A particular crop is taken, and if there is an infection, if the insects attack, then it spreads rapidly throughout the farm and everything is lost. Then we have to use pesticides, etc., and this spoils the whole soil and water and atmosphere, etc., etc. So we need to go back to this ancient farming of dividing the farm into parts, multi-cropping, and then dividing it through some means wherein we can grow medicinal plants, and either we can sell them or we can do value addition to that, create products from medicinal plants and sell them. So that is an added income. In the same manner, we can go for desi cow milk and ghee, etc., and we can sell that. That is also another important. Since I am a Vaidya and I know what kind of medicines that we can grow in that particular region, then I can think of finished products to be used in my own clinic. That is also possible. In Konkan area where I am farming, there are various difficulties. Monkey is one of the major difficulty. And so how to manage monkeys is a big problem. Then there are rabbits, there are rats, and especially cashew and mango, these are stolen away. So considering all these, we started farming not only the rice, or we started with ragi, we started with turmeric, we started with sesame. So we have to think of the crops which can be saved naturally from these natural enemies or something like that. So we started with this, and I have been doing various experiments for last 10 years now, and that's a good example for others to follow. Everywhere the situation might not be the same, but one has to think of the situation, one has to think of the difficulties one has to face, and then try to decide which crop to be taken, which medicines to be taken, etc., etc. So we have set an example in Konkan area near Ganpatipure, and I request all my students who are Vaidyas, who are VMS practitioners, having their farms, to visit there and see the farming and think of farming at their places, what can be done, how it can be done, etc., etc. So in this way we have to spread the message of natural farming across the globe.